Hey, Michael Mansell here, and I am coming to you to update you on Easy1up in 2018. We're at the latter part of 2018, and it's been a crazy year. Some amazing things have happened for my team and I inside of 2018, but specifically inside of Easy1up. And I wanted to get an update video out here for you guys. A lot of you guys are still seeing my very first video that I ever did on Easy1up clear back in 2016. And yes, we've been going solid and strong for over 2 years now. So if you're looking for a proven system that is putting money inside of not just my pocket, but my team members' pockets, that is Easy1up. I mean, there really is no question about it. The momentum that we have today is even stronger than it was 2.5 years ago now. And now is absolutely the right time for you guys to get going with Easy1up and Team Mansell. I'm gonna break that down here in this video, so stay tuned till the end because I've got some really cool bonuses that I wanna give you specifically for joining myself or one of my team members inside of Team Mansell. So there are some specific things that you need to know about with Easy1up, and they just launched and announced their brand new financing option. So if you wanna go all the way to the top and you don't have the funds up front to go straight for the 2000 Vertex Live level, which is for $2,000 plus a $500 admin fee, there is a way that you can get in for only 25% down plus the admin fee. So stay till the end because I'm gonna give you those details on how you can get access to that. Now let's just jump right in here. This is my back office right here. And first and foremost, I want to log in and show you guys exactly what has been happening inside of Team Mansell here specifically. So let's just log right in. This is live here. I'm logging in directly into my Easy1up account, and you're gonna see first and foremost right on my dashboard exactly how much I've earned with Easy1up in the last 2.5 years since they launched. Now, again, like I said, my very first video that I ever did with Easy1up was in 2016. It was actually in August of 2016, and I posted that video. That video now has over 80,000 views, and so many people have been blessed and have gotten profit from Easy1up through that video, because you see that video I allow my team to leverage, and I do that through my traffic rotator. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about that here in a little bit, but check this out right here. This is for real right here. $479,000. We're pushing $500,000 in commissions as total earned. Now my team itself, now that's just my personal earnings. My team has actually earned well over $6 million in the last 2.5 years leveraging Easy1up product sales, and that's the beauty of it. Let's talk about product sales because that's what it's about really. For me, product is first and foremost. You've got to have products. If you don't have products, then you really don't have a business. You've got to have products to sell. There's a lot of different programs out there, and they're just shifting money around. That is not what Easy1up is about. Easy1up is about product sales. So let's take a look at that right here in the back office of Easy1up. You have Elevation, Elevation Elite, Vertex, Vertex Elite, Vertex Pro, and Vertex Live. These are the core products, and you can see those right here in the back office. So right there, those are the products that you're gonna get access to depending on the level that you purchase at, and we're gonna go through those here, and I'm gonna show you those products first and foremost here. A lot of you guys, you can go on the website and you can take a look at these on your own, but I just wanna go here and I wanna show you the products specifically. So as we come down here on the products, you can see there is Elevation. That is for $25 plus admin fee. You get lots of different programs and instructional videos with that. Then you have the Elevation Elite, which is $100 plus admin fee. Lots of more training in there, YouTube strategies, copyright conversions, all that good stuff in there. Vertex level is $250 plus admin fee. You can learn more about that. That's more about advanced digital business video series there. Vertex Elite, which is for $500 plus admin fee. That one is going to break down more of the connecting of the business, how the money mindset works, and give you some access to some drop shipping methods, taught by Paul Counts, good friend of mine. That's a great package level there. A lot of people do start at the $500 level, but I'm gonna encourage you guys to step up your game and go to the Vertex Pro or the Vertex Live level, because this is where the real big money is, and it's something that really is achievable for you guys. And I want you guys to really focus on your mindset, and that's what I teach my team. I give so much training and information to my team on how to replicate my mindset, which is what it really took to earn close to $500,000 with Easy1up in the last 2.5 years. So you're gonna get Vertex Pro at the $1,000 level, and then Vertex Live, which is a brand new level that was introduced this year. It's for $2,000 plus a $500 admin fee. That one puts you in a position to earn a whopping $2,000 per product. How would you guys like to make $2,000 commission every time you sell a product? Straight to your bank account, mind you. This isn't waiting for commissions. $2,000 commissions. That's what you can get at the $2,000 level, not to mention all of the training you get. You're gonna get access to the most recent live event that we did in LA this year. You're gonna get access to several of the recordings from that live event, and you're gonna get access to our next live event that will be coming up here shortly when you join at the $2,000 level. Now you might be sitting there saying, well, I don't have $2,000. If you don't have $2,000, there is a way for you to finance this. You're gonna have to message me directly to get those details on that, but I would be happy to finance you at the $2,000 level if you don't have it. Now, if you do have it, then you just need to go for the $2,000 level and go for it. But if you say, I absolutely do not have $2,000, then there is a way that you can finance most of it, and I can help you out with that. There's a link in the description of this video where you can message me directly on Facebook, best way to get a hold of me, or you can comment on this video and then I will connect with you as well. But I can help you with financing. So that's a rundown of the products so you guys can see them and get all that information there. But again, let's come back to this number here because, I mean, let's think about this right here. $500,000 in commissions earned for myself in the last 2.5 years. What if I had passed on Easy1up? What if I said it was too good to be true? It couldn't be done. It wasn't for me. Don't let that be you. Action takers are the ones that get rewarded. And I'm gonna give you guys so many additional bonuses for joining myself or one of my team members that you guys will be so set up for success, all right? That's what I'm here to tell you guys about. Speaking of my team, let me show you that right here. I'm gonna show you my team group because it's something that I'm very proud of. So right here, as you can see, when you join with either myself directly or one of my team members, you're gonna get access to my private Team Mansell's membership training website. This is where I have every single one of my programs that I promote online, and I'm a huge advocate of multiple streams of income. I give you access to the very training and strategies that I leverage on a daily basis to generate the kind of income that I do for my wife and I. And so right inside of here, you're gonna get access to a complete video series on exactly how I set up my Easy1up accounts, how I market my Easy1up products, and how I've been able to generate $500,000 in commissions with Easy1up. So you're gonna start right in the quick start guide. It's gonna break it down for you step by step, exactly what you need to set up, how you need to set up your account for success. You're gonna get access to my traffic rotator if you join at the $500 level or at the $1,000 level or even at the $2,000 level. As long as you join at the $500 or higher level, you're gonna get access to my traffic rotator. Now, what is my traffic rotator? You might have watched some of my other videos that explain in more detail about what the traffic rotator is, and I'll link that right up here so you guys can go take a look at that. But my traffic rotator is what I set up early on to help my team win. See, one of the biggest things that people fail at with marketing their business is generating traffic. And that is why I set up my traffic rotator to get traffic to my people. So when you join at the $500 level or higher, you're gonna get access into my traffic rotator for Easy1up, where I pay thousands of dollars every single month to my traffic sources, and I have private exclusive traffic sources. These are not run-of-the-mill traffic sources that anybody can access. They actually don't even take clients anymore. So I give you direct access to that traffic by way of my traffic rotator. And you might say, well, how in the world does your traffic rotator work? This is exactly how my traffic rotator works. In fact, I'm just gonna draw my screen here. And so I have one main central rotator link, and I am sending tons of traffic to this main one rotator link. Most rotators, how they work is they require you as the member, all of the members, to promote one link. What I do is I pay for targeted traffic to be sent to one link, and then every single person that gets on my traffic rotator is systematically equally rotated traffic every single day from the traffic that I generate. So I generate tons of traffic to one main link, and then all of that traffic is then equally distributed out to my team members, because I don't want to just have success personally. I want you guys to have success. And the best way for me to do that is to generate a lot of targeted traffic. These are people that are looking for home-based businesses, looking to generate income online, and I send all of that traffic to you guys by way of my traffic rotator. This is getting super messy, but I hope you guys get the picture here. I send traffic to my traffic rotator, and then that gets distributed equally out to all of you guys so that you guys can make your sales. Now, you guys can stay in the traffic rotator as long as you want up to your first 2 sales, because it's really meant to help you guys get started. And I want people to get that initial boost of their first 2 sales, because that gets you into profit right away and gets you on the road to success. So that's a little insight there. I'm gonna roll some testimonial videos, some screenshots. I'm gonna give you guys some proof of my team members making sales, making money. That's super important to me. So I'm gonna show that to you guys here so you guys can take a look at that and see that.
Team Mansell, and I met Michael last year. I had made my first sale, 100% commission on August 25th.
The partnership between Easy1up and Team Mansell really is now. I've been online for a long time, and I recruited quite a number of people, and what I've found to be a common issue is duplication. Okay, and this is one thing it's solved with Team Mansell, because the amount of training that's provided in the Team Mansell Facebook group and the Team Mansell back office itself, partnered with Easy1up, a program that does pay 100% commissions, it's like a match made in heaven. And
really honest, I've tried a lot of opportunities, and Easy1up has been the most easiest opportunity to promote. I'm actually in Singapore, so you don't really have to be like in the US or UK, you know, to be able to do this really well. And what I love about this compared to other opportunities like the normal network marketing is that you don't have to go on meetings, personal meetings, one-on-one. All I've done is just really speak to people on Facebook. So you could be anywhere in the world, you could be on a vacation, but still earn money, because it's just this business you can take with you to everywhere around the world. Yeah, so that's why I actually recommend Easy1up. And of course, Team Mansell is because of its duplication. When I just got started, I didn't have to, you know, like think of how I can train my team members, because Team Mansell has all the trainings that is there. So all you have to do is just concentrate on bringing in the people, and the training will be done by Team Mansell. So
it's so newbie friendly. So because I get a lot of fresh new people just coming in looking for an opportunity online, but like they're kind of nervous because they've never even did anything online before, and they're also wondering about the support. And then what I love is that Team Mansell has that quick start setup guide, because it's helping people so much be able to come from a flat start and really get going. And while they're able to earn money, they're also learning all these special extra tools. It's just one of those things that's just so sweet.
At the end of the day, who cares really what I've done, or even really what my team has done? It's what can you do? Can you do this? And that's one of the big things everybody thinks in their head when they're researching and looking for a new program to join, is, am I going to be able to make sales? Do you have any questions related to Easy1up? Is it really working? I want you to post a comment in the comments below. Ask me any questions that you want, but also reach out to me on Facebook. The best way to get a hold of me is through Facebook. So if you have any other questions before joining Team Mansell and Easy1up, send me a message on Facebook. I will respond to you. I'm on there every single day responding to messages and helping people out. One of the biggest things that I hear all day, every day, is that, hey, I joined a business and now I can't get a hold of my sponsor. Don't let that be you. Join with somebody like myself or somebody on my team that is going to give you the training, the tools, the marketing strategies necessary for you to succeed. It's not as easy as just buying a product, buying a program, and voila, all of a sudden you have money rolling in. So be sure to join with somebody that is actually going to look out for what is best for you and help your growth. I have been thrilled to see so many people over the years have massive success, massive growth, and go on to generate thousands and thousands of dollars for their business and now adding additional multiple streams of income. That's what I teach inside of my team group. So use the link below to get started right away, or message me on Facebook and ask any questions you might still have about Easy1up. Be sure to watch my other videos on Easy1up, but I just wanted to come to you guys today with an update letting you know that Easy1up is absolutely on fire. We have a brand new financing program in place. So if you're watching this and you're not at the $1,000 level or the $2,000 level, we can finance you now to get you to those levels much faster than you sitting around trying to save your money up. So it's as simple as paying 25% down and the admin fee, and then you can finance the rest for 12 months. The interest rates are very reasonable for what you're doing because there's no credit check, there is no minimum credit requirements, and we can get you set up. It's more like a payment plan layaway program, but you get to get active right now and start generating income, and that's what's so cool about it. So hit me up on Facebook if you are interested in our financing program, and I'll be happy to get you set up on that and get you up and running with Easy1up. So look forward to seeing you inside of my team group, and I appreciate you. If you click the link in the description below and it's not me, it means that you're just going through my traffic rotator, so don't worry about it. You're gonna get in with one of my team members and get all the bonuses as if you had joined with me, so don't worry about that. If it does happen to be me, I am the rotation as well because I am here to help you guys out and get you set up and running. So I look forward to seeing you guys inside of my Team Mansell group and see all the success that you're gonna have. Talk to you guys soon.